Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. In yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, yes. Yesterday, Saturday, June the 26th, 2021. Because today, on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to continue with the additional of yesterday's newspaper. And the second Sudoku, because the first Sudoku I have solved already, yes, the second Sudoku is a two-star Sudoku. Number 3012. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, I guess this one has 26. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 2 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 plus 3 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Correct. 26 printed digits. And for a 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. All right, that's my time limit. So let's get started. I see here 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1, all right. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. And I believe I see 999, 3, 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Yes, let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. 6, 5, 1. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And the 9 goes there. All right. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Let me see. 8, 4, 3. Uh-huh. 3, 3. 3, 8, 4. 3, 8, 4. Yeah. 7, 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 3 boxes. There 707 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then yeah, 5, 9. I'm scanning. 9, 6. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 5. 5 is missing, alright. 5 to 9, 5 to 9, 5 to 9. 2, 9, 4, 2, 9, 4. Okay. 2, 2, 9, 4. Let me see. 6, 6. Yeah. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. I'm thinking really. Yeah. 3, 2, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. We have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in that box. So the 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 numbers in this middle column? The 8 and the 4. The 8 and the 4, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in the third row. So no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So here we have the first pair, 5 and 8, 3 and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers? In this big square, the 2 and the 7 are missing. The 2 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 9 and the 9 and the blackout. 9 and 8. 9 and the 8 are missing in the third row. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8 and this box should be a 5. Alright. Let me see. 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. Yes. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. First column, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 2, 9 and 2. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. No, 3 numbers. Well, let me do this first. This number in this row for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. Let me see. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. Then we have yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left. The final number of this big square for the number 2. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Yes, 2 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than the 15 to 20 minutes time limit. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third puzzle, the final or the last puzzle for today. The final puzzle. for today. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. So see you then. Bye bye for now.